Let me show you how to fix it if a disabled Instagram account can't be contacted. Sometimes the account is just deactivated, but sometimes it's a bug in the Instagram app. I'll show you how to identify it and how to fix it. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android, and let's tap on the messages icon at the bottom center. Let's say if you go to chat with somebody, but it says it's disabled, you can't message them. They might have disabled their account, but sometimes this is a bug that comes up and it might not actually be disabled. So essentially what we're going to do is try to get in here and trick Instagram into allowing us to send them a message. So once we're in here, essentially what we're first going to choose to do is to restrict them. And if you can restrict them, try to restrict them and unrestrict. If you're not able to do that, you can always choose to block, and then you can block them and then immediately turn around and tap on it and unblock them. Essentially, I can't block this account because it is my own account, but you can always go back here and choose to tap on anyone's profile. Again, you can choose to restrict them or block them and then just turn around and unrestrict them. Now, if that doesn't work for you, the next thing I would recommend doing is figuring out if it's a bug in the Instagram app. If it is a bug in the Instagram app, we can always choose to offload and reinstall it. So let's just open up the Instagram option to offload it and reinstall it. This force updates it to the latest version, but also it clears out all the cache and temporary files. Essentially, when the Instagram app is done reinstalling it, we should be able to open it up and message whoever we want.